Are those your actual names?
Yeah!
Okay, I wasn't sure if it was some sort of private joke I wasn't aware of. Okay.
Yeah! Woo!
And not only that, but I never thought in my wildest dreams that anyone would ever sing a Milli Vanilli song.
Yeah! 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 Woo!
So here we go.
Yeah!
There's some Milli Vanilli action.
Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
Guys, here we go. Blame it on the rain.
You wish that you still had her, and you feel like you let her walk away. Just don't you think? But no, you couldn't do that. You had to prove you were strong. Oh, you hadn't been so honest. She might still be there with you. You want her back again. But some stuff don't do the same. Maybe that's something. Maybe that's something. Blame it on the rain.
Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
Cause the rain don't mind, the rain don't care. You gotta blame it on something. Blame it on the rain that was falling. Blame it on the stars that shine at night. Blame it on the rain, yeah,
Yeah! Blame it on the rain! Yeah, yeah! Blame it on the rain! Blame it on the rain!
Blame it on the rain!
Oh, yeah!
Blame it on the stars that shine at night. Blame it on
The real Milli Vanilli sounded like that.